Hello students. I made this video already, but it was too long to upload on YouTube, so I'm going to try to briefen it. Got to start over again. First of all, I want you to notice I'm wearing my teaching hoodie. You notice every video has me in my hoodie. It doesn't mean I'm taking these videos on the same day. It just means I really like this hoodie. So this video is to talk about your advanced technique assignment. And this is one of the resources we're using. And that's abbreviated AT. So when you see AT, that means advanced technique. So what we're working on in here is our 3-octave scales. First of all, you'll notice violins and violas, you have this at the very top, open string start, first string start, second string start. So what's great about this is it gives you a brief, little short description of how you play your scale finger pattern wise, not necessarily reading notes. So this is a really easy way to memorize your scales because, as you know, open string scale patterns are the same, first finger scale patterns are the same, second string scale patterns are the same, so memorizing your scales and playing them becomes a lot easier. All right, so that being said, if you'll notice on the violin it has a second finger start. I want everyone to do this. It doesn't matter if you learned a scale with your teacher, a private teacher, I want you to try the second position start. This is a really great opportunity for you to be comfortable playing in second position. So briefly, real quick. C, right? So you've got an extended fourth finger, right? So whole step, whole step. And those are turns, right? So and so on. So then you shift to fourth, sixth, eighth. Coming down is different. So you're going to have to spend a little time. I'm going to reassign this over and over again, so just make sure you can play from the beginning to the end. Don't worry about playing with a metronome quite yet. Same thing for number 2. This is just to kind of get your feet wet with the arpeggio, because this can be kind of tricky. So I want you to try to just really just try to find every pitch, right? So we've got, I use stop bows sometimes when I'm having trouble finding the pitch. Gives my finger time to get there. Sorry, I'm hurrying. It's kind of tough. Shift to second position. Sorry, hit my kitchen table there. I'm just trying to rush through this here because I've already spent a good hour making this video and I got to do it again. Violas. Yours is pretty self-explanatory. Nothing too difficult on yours because you get to start on the open string. So we're going to jump right to the cellos. Violas, let me know if you have any troubles with that. Okay. All right, violas and cellos. All right, so just to be clear, the Roman numerals determine your position on the bottom. The fingerings are on top. So if I'm playing the cello, okay, I'm playing the cello, okay, I'm going to play through your C major scale. I don't even know if you need that, but understand that the churn is at the beginning of these. So you've got these 3 notes before your scale starts. And that's so when we add different variations, it'll be easier to feel the pulse when we have that little churn at the very beginning and at the end. Okay, so we're going to be doing a lot with this scale, so get started with your 3 octaves. So nothing here that you can't figure out goes into tenor clef, goes into 4th position, 7th position. One thing I want to talk to you about is your arpeggio. Okay, so it has you starting in 2nd position. It says 2.5 position, but it's 2nd position. It's on E. Okay, so then I shift here on the G string to 5th position. Shift again, but it doesn't tell you what position. I'm not sure why, but it ends on a 2. Same way going down. Take your time, find the pitch. See how that says 3? That should be a 4 in my opinion. Either one will work. Then shift to 2nd position. It's just an extended 2. That's what they mean by the 1/2. so that's your C major arpeggio. I'll be assigning that for a test later on. I'm going to give you some time. We're practicing these on a daily basis. All right, basses. Yours is a little bit trickier. Yours goes into 3 octaves, but it has a drop down, just like your D major scale. Okay, so C major. Again, the Roman numeral tells you what position, and the fingering is above. So here is C major scale. Play it for basses. They ask for a little bit more demonstration because they have a little bit more difficult stuff to play. So I'm trying to get it to where you can see and I can play. Here we go. C major starts on 2nd finger, 1st position. That's what it's telling me there. So I play the churn, 1st finger, and then I shift to 2nd position. Okay, so that's how that churn works. Start with C, shift, use 4th finger instead of open D, and go to E, half position. 1st position. 3rd position. 5th, 2nd finger. Then that little symbol means thumb. Hold it down. 1, 2, 3. And so on. You go down the exact same way. Make sure you take your time on the shifts and focus on your technique. That's what's going to allow you to play this precisely. Arpeggio. This one's a little bit easier. Okay, starts in 1st position, stays in 1st position. Then I shift to 5th position, but I go to the D string. So I'm playing open G, and then I play 5th position on the D string. 2, harmonic, 3. Way up there, right? Then I come back down the exact same way. Okay, I'm going quickly because I know you have YouTube has maximized, I guess, their length on their YouTube videos. So I want to make sure I get through all the instruments. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully that answers, that will get you started on C major. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. Miss seeing y'all. See you soon.